Good morning, Miss.
Good morning to Miss.
Okay, so today we are going to do evaluation. I will start from the little step. So please explain what you have explained for Monday.
Okay, so for Monday we have sounds great and little step, Miss. Okay.
For little step first.
Yes, for little steps. Okay, so about IPA,
Little step.
Little steps.
Little step that sounds great. Focus.
Sorry, Miss. Little
Okay.
step. Yes, Miss. Okay, so for the little steps, that is about what do plants need to grow. Okay, so for the question, uh, what do plants need to grow? So the answer is like the plants need sun, water, air, and soil for to grow. And then after that, the second
So how many are the how to say that the keywords?
keywords. Okay, there are wait, yes, miss. Uh, sun, plants, soil, water, and air. There are five, miss. There are keywords. Yes, keywords or key vocabulary.
For the CPQ?
For this PQ, already last time one, miss, and one more is how many daffodil in there in the story. There are 10 daffodil in the story, like that.
Okay, for Tuesday.
For Tuesday, this is about why do plants need water? And the answer is so they don't dry out and can give the food from the soil. And the second is can you mention the things to plant a seed? Yes, I can. They are soil, shovel, and after that seed and water.
Okay,
Unit
how
one.
many keywords are there?
About which
For
one, miss?
Tuesday.
On Tuesday, we are yes, they are 7. It's like shovel. Yes, right. And after that, water.
No, there's no soulful.
Oh, there is about story, miss. Because we have like story and the about the using of water for the
Yeah,
plants.
but the keywords I need you mentioned that you have put here in the LP.
Yes.
Yeah, there are some keywords here.
Like daffodil, bee, tat, bell, and after that, yes, tat, bell, daffodil, bee, and then crown. Yes, right. And after that, forget two more.
Forget tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes, miss.
Okay, for rainbow science.
For rainbow science, for today, this is about animals, miss. So we have checkpoint question and special activity.
What is the special activity about?
About divide the animals and habitats.
How?
Yes. Okay, so later I will make the into two groups, and after that I will ask them to make the line, and after that I have put some picture of animals and the habitats. So they should choose which one the animals based on the habitat, like that, miss.
So, what will they get from the story? From the activity?
From the activity, so they come to know, and after that they are so excited for the activity inside the class. Yes.
Before you turn to the special activity, you have
Checkpoint questions.
yeah, checkpoint question. Can you mention, Miss?
Okay, for the firstly, I will ask about the animals first. Yes, miss. Can you mention the animals on the land? Yes, I can. They are cow, cat, rabbit, and horse. And after that, can you? Sorry, miss. What is the animal can you find in the garden? The animal can find in the garden like butterfly, ladybug, and bee. And after that, sorry, miss. What is the animals can fly and has colorful wings? So the answer is butterfly. And then after that, what animals can swim and has a fins? That is fish. And after that, this is about pet animals. What is the animals can be our pets? They are cat, rabbit, monkey, turtle, and fish, like that, miss. And then the last, this is about lay eggs and give birth. What is the animals lay eggs? So the answer is turtle and bird lay eggs.
For rainbow math, what is
For
it about?
rainbow math, for the checkpoint question today, there is about 14 and 15, yes, miss. And then after that, the checkpoint question are how many color pencil do you have? Okay, there are 14 color pencils on the table. And after that, about this one is about number 15. How comes from 10?
What
and-
comes?
Yes, what comes from 15? They are 10 and 5 become 15, like that, miss.
Oke, kalau untuk ASP bahasa,
Untuk ASP bahasa, hari ini untuk besok kita punya checkpoint question aja, miss. Ada 2, yaitu apakah kegunaan dari koran? Kegunaan dari koran adalah untuk membaca berita dan membaca berita dan cerita yang menyenangkan. Setelah itu yang kedua, sebutkan contoh alat komunikasi yang berawalan dari huruf kata T, yaitu telepon dan televisi.
untuk ASP
Untuk
Science?
ASP Science kita punya checkpoint question dan special activity. Untuk checkpoint question yaitu kegunaan radio. Kegunaan radio itu untuk mendengarkan musik, berita, atau cerita yang menyenangkan. Kalau misalnya yang selanjutnya checkpoint question yang untuk ASP Science, manakah alat komunikasi yang lebih berat, telepon atau televisi? Jawabannya adalah televisi. Setelah itu kita punya special activity, miss.
Social activity ini tentang apa itu?
Judulnya apakah aku, misalnya nanti kita buat grup kan, miss, 2. Nanti jadi kita buat gambarnya di depan ada radio, surat, televisi, telepon genggam, dan koran. Jadi nanti misalnya seperti ini, miss. Aku adalah alat yang hanya bisa didengar tetapi tidak bisa dilihat. Aku bisa menyampaikan berita. Siapakah aku? Aku adalah radio. Seperti itu, miss.
Jadi ini apa yang mereka dapatkan setelah melakukan aktivitas itu, Miss?
Mereka ada rasa ingin tahu dan antusias untuk mengikuti kegiatan di kelas, miss.
Untuk project?
Untuk project minggu ini itu how to sieve the flour.
Okay. For the project ya?
Yes, we just need the materials like flour.
Flour. What kind of flour?
Flour.
Oh, flour.
Flour. And after that, filter. Yes, right. And after that, bowl. Only that
Bowl.
one. Miss.
One bowl.
Yes, one
What
bowl.
will they do?
Okay, later they will take the little flour, and then after that they put on by the spoon too, and they put on the filter, and after that they should shake. Yes, right. Shake the filter.
Sift.
Yeah, sift the filter and the flour inside the bowl. Yes.
Why did you choose this?
Because we have put inside the book mapping, so we just continue and follow based on the book mapping, miss. Take turn from the art and craft.
Okay. For the Sanskrit?
About the Sanskrit, yes, units IPA, X, and ITA. They are IPA, lip, hip, sip, rip, and after that ITA, sit, fit, hit, pit, and after that the last is EX, six, fix, mix. They just only study about that sounds.
Okay. Please you explain this. I will show you a book. Explain like how you explain in the class. And please explain. Okay, please explain, Miss. Oh my God. You need a light pen, yes. Yeah. Terus mau ya? Okay.
Okay, now we are going to do our little steps. Okay, this is our new unit about what do plants need to grow. But before that, I want to explain to you what is the definition of plant. Do you know plants? Plant is a living thing and we can find in the garden or your home. Okay, so it's like a flower, like rose, sunflower, and then daffodils or tulips. Yes.
What
that
did you
is
explain about plant?
plants? Plants is a living thing, and we can find in the park or garden. Yes.
Then?
Okay, so this one, what do plants need to grow? So the plants it's same has similar with us. Okay, they need to grow to like humans. So this is the some things, yes, can help plants to grow. Okay, this one there are plant, sun, soil, and this one water, and then after that air.
Right.
Oh yes, cannot move this.
Are you sure?
Yes, because this is not from the application. Yes, but you haven't connected.
Why cannot ya?
Cannot miss.
Try again.
Cannot miss.
Okay, then I will help lah.
Okay, so this one, what do plants need to grow? So if you want to, so this one, things plants need to grow. It's like plant. Okay, read together. Plant, sun, soil,
What?
sun, sun, soil, water, and air. So these are is the things can help and can help the plants to grow. Yes, right. So when I ask you what do plants need to grow, okay, so you can answer plants need sun, soil, water, and air. Okay, like that.
Okay, now Rainbow Science. Have you turned to this? Not yet? Not yet, yeah? Still this?
Already, miss. Today we have a special activity and checkpoint question.
This one?
This is the new unit.
Not yet, right?
Don't check, miss.
So please explain this one. Okay, animals.
Okay, so today we are going to do our rainbow science that is still about animals. Okay, do you remember what is the definition of animals? Animals is a living things like us, but they some of them cannot live with us. It's like lion, tiger, deer because they are wild animals. Okay, now this one. The type of animals they are like like animals on the land, animals in the water, animals in the air, and after that animals in the garden. Okay, so but today we can talk about all. Okay, because today after this we will have a special activity to divide which one the animals based on habitat. Okay, for this one first, where do animals live? So this one, cow, cat, hen, and rabbit, they are animals on the land. Okay, so you just can find these animals on the land. You cannot find in the water or in the forest. Okay, animals on the land it means like animals on the land it means the animals just live. It's like on the forest, and then after that in around our house, and after that they cannot live in the water or in the air because they have not wings. Okay, next, Miss. Okay, so this one, some animals can be our pets. This is different for the wild animals and the farm animals. Because why? Because these animals can be our friends at home. We can take care for them, and then we can be our friends. We can play with them, and then we can hug them. Yes, right. Do you have pet animals at home? Okay, before that, I want to explain to you what is the definition of pet animals. Okay, the pet animals is uh, animals can live with us. They cannot live in the forest like wild animals. Yes, right. Okay, so these are the pet animals. It's like monkey, cat, bird, and turtle. Okay, so you can take care of with them.
Okay, I think that's all for the evaluation today. I have made the result here for the latest step. For the keywords on Tuesday, you forgot some of them, but on Monday you could mention, and for the density question also you could explain. Rainbow science also the special activity, and then reviewing CP questions you could mention and explain them. ISP Bahasa, ISP Science, and Rainbow Math. For the explanation of this one, it wasn't really clear actually, but maybe you need to, how to say that, you need to know more about this. For the little step, you could explain. So I think for whole of the evaluation, you pass with good result. Okay, thank you, Miss. Please learn this. Okay.